Little girl sitting on a grave, full story. One late night, a young man was going home from work. On his way home, he would always pass a graveyard. He was passing the graveyard when he felt the urge to pee. He had been holding it for a while, so he walked up to the wall of the graveyard and began to relieve himself. While standing at the side of the wall, he started to get this eerie feeling, as if someone was watching him. He tried to ignore it, but it became overwhelming. His mind told him to look in between the cracks of the wall into the graveyard, and he couldn't believe his eyes. There, sitting innocently on top of a tombstone, was a little girl. She couldn't be older than 8. She sat there with her feet swinging off the tombstone like she was on her bed. He didn't know if he was to feel afraid or sad. She looked away from him, but he felt as if she was staring into his soul. He didn't realize how much time had passed while he was there, because he was standing there for a while. When he finally came back to his senses, he pulled up his pants and hurried home.
Check out the playlist below for more.